everybody, so I'm back with another video. Hopefully it'll be uploaded before Christmas. But anyways, I'm just here to show you how to look glam on Christmas. I don't know what word I was trying to say. Start with the e.l.f. primer. While this primer is soaking up into my skin, I found a better way to do my eyebrows so they're not crusty anymore, which is with do the concealer first and then trace your eyebrows with whatever pomade you want, and that, oh my god, it's like better. It's like so after I do this, it looks weird right now, but I mix these two together. It's a matte e.l.f. concealer that's like super light for me, which I showed in one of my previous videos. Made me look like a complete ghost. And I mix the one I use for my eyebrows, and like I make like a lighter paste of it. I mix it on this silicone sponge, and then I put it all over my eyelid so I can like hang on. So the eyeshadow can hang on to the eyelids and like be pigmented. I don't know what happened to me like right there. I think I just had like a literal brain fart. Then I take my beat up sponge and wet this shit with this Mario Badescu. I don't use water because I'm too lazy to get up and get water. So I try to blend this shit like up to like where the end of my eyebrow is so it cannot look weird. So I just let it sit there and then I do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna show how I do my eyebrows because it's a long process. So this is what my eyebrows look like. There's foundation on my face because I forgot to like record the first part and press the record button for some reason. But I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm not gonna bore you with this, so I'm gonna just show you when it's like blended out. I don't know what is it, but my foundation always looks lighter on my forehead and then darker on the other half of my face. I'm gonna take this and put it for my under eye circles. Not that I have much, but oh, actually I do. And just take the yellow and put it under my eyes. And if I do have red spots, I usually put the green one, but I don't have any. And then I just so since this year we're not going to much parties, we aren't doing anything like big with other people, I'm just not going all out this year, but I still want to look like a baddie. That's probably gonna make me end up on the naughty list, isn't it? Just do some eyeliner and just roll with it. So this is the eyeliner. I don't know if it's like even or my head just crooked. I did the eyeliner first because usually I do it at the end and then it gets messed up when I put the eyelash curler on it, so I just let it dry. So I always like contour my nose. I take this e.l.f. palette and you guys see my ceiling. Go in with the lightest shade, just like trace the side of my nose. And then like I draw like a straight line here and try to like blend it out. You can't really see that. And then I don't really contour my face, I just bronze it up. And if it does turn out too much orange, I just go over it with my beauty blender. I use this huge ass brush for it, my cheekbone contour. I always blend it into my hair. I'm done bronzing, so I just take this and carve out my imaginary cheekbone lines that I don't have. I take it to the sides of my nose too. And under my eye. Not too close under my eye though. I got scared of using this because it has talc. And I heard that like if it goes into your eye can irritate it and it's like super bad for you. I'm probably just being paranoid. And for blush, we have to go all out for blush this year. Take this flat brush and take this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. It's like the darkest shade of it, but it looks so natural. So I'm gonna take it off with this huge fan brush. So I'm trying not to look too matte because we ain't trying to look like crusty with this. For lashes, I'm gonna use these what's it called? There's like these huge lashes. They look like this. I'm gonna put them on. Okay, so these are the lashes, and I have no idea why this one is like longer on the ends than this one. Anyways, I was supposed to spray this before I actually put it on, but I'm just like, man, this smells like fries. I'm gonna use this palette and highlight. I use all the colors to highlight. For the final touch, I'm gonna go with a red lipstick. This is I think this is the brand Rimmel. I don't know if you can see it. Rimmel. It's in the shade Red Alert. It's like this bright red. I'm gonna change it to something nicer so we can get into that Christmassy mood. So I wanted to put a turtleneck under here, but then I realized, how am I gonna get the turtleneck without like ruining my lipstick, my face, everything? So I just decided to put it on like this. I think that's the end of this video. Hopefully I have it up before Christmas. If not, Merry Christmas guys, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye guys.